So today I'm going to show you how I quit my job as a 9-to-5er working in construction and ended up traveling the world in just 90 days through my online business. And this is a complete step-by-step guide that I'm going to show you today. So by the end of the video, you'll have the complete action steps and the step-by-step guide to make this a reality for yourself. So as you can see on my Miro board, I started off as a plasterer, unfulfilled, I had lack of purpose, and I really felt lost. I didn't know where to start. I saw all these people making money online, but how could I do it myself? I literally had no skills or anything. And within 90 days, I was living in Bali. I felt so fulfilled through my business. I was traveling the world. I had freedom, and I was just living life on my own terms. I no longer had to get up at 9 a.m. every day to go work for someone else and work on someone else's dreams. I was doing it for myself. And here are just some of the payments in the past 3 months that I've had, and I hate flexing and stuff like that, and it's not huge amounts of money, but it allows me to live life on my own terms. And there's so many people on the internet these days just completely lying, so I just wanted to show you that, to show you why you could maybe learn a lot from me. And this is kind of how I did it. So how did someone with no skills, no business knowledge, and pretty much no money to start my agency with end up traveling the world? And in the past 18 months, I've traveled to over 25 countries while running my agency. So I was in this position, no skills, no business knowledge, and no money. And I started watching YouTube. And you've probably heard of Iman Ghazi. And I started watching his videos. And whatever the videos were, whether it was about Facebook ads or running a different type of agency, he kept mentioning the word agency. And he was like, this is the best online business model. But I was like, what is an agency? How can I run an agency? So as you can see, I was like, what the fuck is an agency? And after doing a lot of research and after years of running one myself, an agency is simply just three things. And it's actually the easiest model to use to make money online, because all you need to do is book appointments, get sales, and service delivery. And this could be any high income skill. So the step one of this whole process is picking a high income skill. So what high income skill can you pick? There's so many out there. Do I run ads? Do I do social media management? Can I be a copywriter? Shall I create AI automations for businesses? And there's so many out there, and that's what can make you feel lost, because you're like, okay, I know I want to start an agency and I know I want to pick a high income skill, but I don't know what high income skill to pick and then to sell to businesses. So first off, if you look in the link in the description, I've got an AI skill selector, which I've actually taught myself, the AI bot, to take into account your personality, your skill set, how much time you have to learn, everything about your life, your previous experience and your personality, and it'll pick the best skill and niche exactly for you. So you can do that in the description after the video, and that will really help. But there's also some questions that you should ask yourself when picking a high income skill. Does your high income skill solve a problem? So people essentially pay to solve problems. Like for me, with my agency, I run social media management and also ads. So the problem they have is they don't have brand presence. They're probably not generating enough revenue. So I solve the problem of that. I get them customers through my work. Second is, are you interested in learning the skill? If you're not interested, you're not going to stick with it. You're not going to kind of actually become better at it. And it's always gonna, in the longer term, it's gonna feel like a job again. And that is not what we want. And then finally, can the skill or enough of the skill be learnt in a few months? So for something like social media management, you can learn how to edit in a few months. You can learn copywriting in a few months. You can learn ads in a few months. Like these sort of things you want to go into, because you don't have to be a master. You don't have to be a 10 out of 10 to teach someone who's a 1 out of 10. Like for example, if you're awful at golf, you don't need Tiger Woods to teach you how to play golf. You'll go to your local course and there'll be someone that's a 4 or 5 out of 10. They're a good player. they can still teach you to that level. So you don't need to get to this 10 out of 10 level. You don't need to become a master. If you run meta ads at a decent level, you're going to know someone that more than someone that's an absolute beginner and doesn't know how to start meta ads for their business. So that is really important. And this is, if you don't believe me, like this is exactly what people in my community, like Murray is already 1 client confirmed and 3 others ready to start within 3 weeks. He's already earning over like 1.5 grand in the first 3 weeks of being in the business. He has no experience. He was an estate agent before and now he's running ads. Joe has got 2 clients within 45 days. But yeah, that just shows that you can literally go from 0 skills, and it's not just me, it's other people as well. And if you are interested, you can book a call in the description and work one-to-one with me, or we also have another community which is more affordable but will allow you to kind of get started with the course and learn all this yourself, and also get my advice and your on your specific situation. But yeah, that's all in the description if you want that. I don't mind either way. And step 2 is creating your power offer and positioning. So what is a power offer? So you don't just want to say, I run meta ads for your business. They don't care. They care about the outcome. Like, they want, what problem can your skill solve? So if you're running meta ads, you can help businesses generate more revenue for their business. What industry has the biggest or most painful problem in this area? So the bigger the problem and the more painful the problem, the more people are going to pay for it. If they've got it's called like a bleeding neck problem. If their business is about to go bust in the next 3 months, if they don't generate more revenue, and you can run ads for their business and it saves their business, they're going to be willing to pay a lot more than someone that's doing okay and they don't mind. Like, if they can get more revenue, it might be nice. So you have to find the industries that have the most painful problem for this. And then third is, what result can your service provide? So early on, you're not going to have like a monetary figure. Like, if I run ads, I can guarantee that I'm going to generate you 5k more per month, because you won't have testimonials. But what you can do early on is say, I can increase your revenue on a pay and results basis. So you build trust that way by saying, you only pay me once I get good results for your business. Step 3 is booking appointments. Booking appointments, people make very, very complicated, whereas it's actually a very simple system. So what is booking appointments? It's essentially getting people on a call, get them on a sales call, so you can talk about your pitch, you can learn more about their business, and then obviously try to get them on as a client. So these are the sort of step-by-step process you want to go through to book an appointment. 1, what platform does your industry use? So for example, if you're going for like B2B founders, like business to business, they're all going to be in LinkedIn, they're all going to be using email, and you also might get them across like Instagram and Facebook. But the main 2 ones for that is email and LinkedIn. Whereas like the construction industry, they're going to be a lot more like phone calls and probably Facebook, rather than like LinkedIn. So you really need to know what industry you're targeting and what platform are they on. What platform are they going to check the most, so you can actually outreach on that platform. And then you want to send your offer, and a personalized offer and a video work best. So many people are just spamming out these unpersonalized, generic offers to businesses, and they don't really care. Whereas if you show yourself on the camera, or if you write something meaningful about their business and how you can help a specific part of it, you're going to get a lot higher response rate. And at the end of the pitch, you just want to say, can I send over more information about how I can help your business? And then once they say yes, I then create a video, like a Loom video, just saying, okay, I've looked at your business. This is what your current situation is. And we can really help you with my service by doing this. And you want to sell the call. Don't sell the whole service. Don't sell on the Loom video, which is just like a video which screen records your screen and yourself. But you don't need to go to the point where you're trying to get them to buy the service over DMs. What you want to do is just get them on a call. So sell the calls, call it a consultations call, a free strategy call. Do not call it a sales call. And then once you've sent over, you want to send over a Calendly link, which is basically a link where they can just book in a call with you. It saves people on different time zones or going back and forth over DMs, trying to organize a time. So it makes it so much simpler and reduces the friction it takes for them to actually, book in a call with you. And then you've got the appointment booked. So it's very simple. And then next you've got closing on the sales call. So once you've got them on the call, how do you close them? And people often get really, really nervous about this because they might never have done sales before. And they think, I need to be this like extroverted, upbeat, like salesman that keeps pushing. And it's not the way to do it. You don't need to be that sort of person. I'm very introverted. And what I use is diagnose like a doctor. You're there to find out what their problem is, and then if you can actually help. If you can't help them, you can tell them that. But first off, diagnose like a doctor. What is their current situation and problems? So what is their current method of getting customers in? How are they currently getting revenue? Are they running ads currently? Are they just doing organic? Are they doing email marketing? However that is, this works for every industry. If you're an online PT, you could be, what's your current situation? Why do you keep binge eating? Why can you not go to the gym many times per week? Understand their current situation. Because if you went to the doctors, they don't straight away try and pitch to you, try and prescribe you without understanding what your problems are first. So you need to understand their problems to then actually prescribe them with your service and how you can help. So now you've understand their current situation over here, then you want to understand their dream outcome. So they might be earning 5K a month and they're a struggling business and they're currently running ads but they're not working. And their dream outcome is over here. They want to earn 20K a month. They want to they want to save time because currently they're trying to run the ads themselves. But they want someone to run the ads for them so that they can concentrate on their business and what they enjoy doing, and someone else can grow them to 20K a month. So now you've got them really imagining that things can be different. Their current situation doesn't need to stay like this. It can actually go to this other area, which is 20K per month and more free time, but their current situation is over here, and that's really painful. So you want them then, so in that situation, you've widened the gap. Here's where they are now, and you've stretched it so here's where they want to be. So there's a big gap here. And you want them to kind of admit defeat. So you say, okay, you're currently at 5K a month, and you want to get to 20K per month. Kind of why you're on the call, what's stopping you from doing this yourself? And they might say, oh, I just don't have the knowledge to run meta ads, or I don't have the time to run meta ads, or I just want to do it quicker. I want some expertise so I can get there quicker. So they're kind of admitting defeat. They're saying that, oh, okay, I can't do this by myself. I do actually need someone to bridge the gap and get me from here to here. And then you say, great, I'm really confident I can help you. Can I explain how I can help? And that is where you pitch your offer, whatever service you provide, how you can solve their problem for their specific business, and then you close them. Obviously, they'll ask pricing, and you say that after you've built up all the value, but that is how you do it. So you go, can I explain how I can help? So you ask permission, they say yes, and then can I pitch my offer? And then you close them there, and boom, you've got your first client secured. And that you can see, like, the process isn't that long, it isn't that complicated. You've picked a high income skill, which people in my community have literally done and generated money within like the first month, and got clients, plenty of clients in the first month or two with no experience. You then create your offer from your skill. So you just find problems in niches and then you generate kind of your offer. And then you send a few outreach DMs and LinkedIn's and emails every day, get them on a call, and then you just diagnose their problems. It's not this big, massive, scary pitch. You're just understanding, can I help you? And people will respect that a lot more, that you're sat there listening to them. You're actually understanding their problems. You're actually wanting to solve their problems, not just pitch them to earn money. And then you can actually help them. And then boom, you've got your first client secured. You'll get a payment, something like this. And straight away, one client probably pays at least half, maybe half, quarter, whatever it is of your currently monthly wage. But it allows you to travel. You can live in Asia off a lot less than 1.8k a month. And that's just your first client. And then you've got time to quit your 9 to 5. And then suddenly you've got 40 hours spare a week to then commit to get more and more clients and build out this system better and better. And then that's when you can start earning 5, 10, 15, 20k per month through an agency where you have the freedom to travel the world. It's literally what I've done here. And it's easy to think online that these people are different. I was literally a plasterer. I had no skills, and I managed to build this out myself just through muddling through and trying to work it out online. And I managed to do it myself, and it's generated this agency where I help businesses, they pay me, and I can do it from anywhere in the world. I now have a team who help me, and it gives me the opportunity to go to places like Machu Picchu, Japan, China. I've even done this from Afghanistan, which shows you can literally run an agency from anywhere. And that is kind of the whole process. And yeah, it's so achievable. And if you need to pick a high income skill, go to the AI skill selector in the description. And as I said, we've got 2 different courses where we can really help you. I don't mind. You can use this knowledge and try to build it out yourself, or you can use our community where it's very, very affordable. Just a monthly fee. There's a 7-day money back guarantee. So you can literally look in the course. If you don't like it, drop me a message. I'll refund you, no questions asked. And obviously, yeah, you get so much value in there. There's a community, you can ask me questions. There's the full course of literally how I built my agency, how I get appointments, how I close them, and how to do service delivery. And then I've got my inner circle, which is really the one-to-one, where I take you through every single step of the way. I'm there throughout the whole process, and I actually guarantee that you hit 3 to 8k per month within 90 days with that program. And it's what Murray and Joe have been doing, and that's why they've got clients so quickly. But thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.